In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a track in BandLab Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to repeat a section of your music so it plays seamlessly for as long as you need. This is perfect for building choruses, extending instrumentals, or quickly sketching out an arrangement without copying and pasting. First, go to BandLab. You can do this in a web browser or through the app, whichever you prefer. Once you're there, log into BandLab with your usual credentials so you have access to your work and all your tools. After you've signed in, head to your library. This is where all your songs, drafts, and collaborations live. Take a moment to locate the project you want to work on so you're editing the right version. Open your project to load it up. You'll see the project overview, and from here you want to move into the full editing environment. Click on Studio to enter the workspace where you can see tracks, clips, and the timeline grid. Inside Studio, select your track. Tracks are listed vertically on the left and extend across the timeline. Click the track you want to loop to highlight it, which helps ensure any edits you make are applied to the right place. If your track contains a specific clip you want to repeat, make sure that clip is visible in the timeline so you can work with it easily. Now comes the key move. Click and drag the loop icon. The loop handle appears at the top right edge of a clip and often looks like a curved arrow or a small bracket. Hover over that corner until you see the loop cursor, then click and drag to the right. As you pull it out, BandLab creates repeated iterations of the original clip, snapping them to the timeline grid so they stay perfectly in time. Drag as far as you need to cover the section you want, and release to set the loop length. If you go too far, just drag the loop handle back to shorten it. This process is non-destructive, so your original clip stays intact while the repeats extend your arrangement. A few tips to keep things smooth. Looping works best when your clip length matches whole bars or measures, which keeps transitions clean. BandLab typically snaps to the grid, helping your loops land precisely. If you notice the loop isn't aligning the way you expect, zoom in for a closer view and adjust the handle carefully at the bar lines for accuracy. That's it. You've gone to BandLab, logged in, opened your project, entered Studio, selected your track, and used the loop icon to extend your music efficiently and cleanly.